One of the most common hazards with DIY wiring we see is not sizing the wire and the breaker to the appropriate sizes. Your circuit breaker protects your wire. If you put an oversized breaker on a wire, you run the potential of burning up that wire. So a 14 gauge wire is rated for a 15 amp breaker. A lot of times that 15 amp breaker is tripping and someone doesn't realize why, so they think, well, I'll just put a bigger breaker in. So they put that 20 amp breaker in, but the wire that's actually feeding that to that breaker is only rated for 15 amps. So you run the risk of burning up the installation on the wire. Another common hazard we see pretty frequently with DIY wiring is reverse polarity. Meaning your hot and your neutral wires are reversed or backwards. While most appliances will still function, it doesn't mean it is safe. Another issue we see with DIY wiring is it's pretty common to see one of our customers find a situation where they believe they should have GFCI protection or GFCI outlet in a location where they don't. Another common hazard we see with DIY wiring is the installation of GFCI outlets. People may see an area of their home, say in their kitchen or bathroom, where they believe a GFCI outlet is required and take it upon themselves to install that GFCI outlet. Those outlets do have a line and a load side. It's not common or uncommon to see someone flip-flop the load and the line side of that, and then the GFCI outlet will not function properly. It'll also can create issues with power downstream from the outlet, so they might find themselves with other outlets in that circuit that no longer work.